Hey guys, I know that some of you could not make the Zoom today, and that's okay. We're all learning the ropes and getting used to it. So I want to go over what we went over together on the Zoom. So we made sure that everybody could find their science courses. So you go to courses or to dashboard, and you're either in my advanced science or in my level science. So you would click on which one you're in for me. You click on that. And when you get to it, you get to the home page. You have a announcement. Recent announcements will be at the top, and then you have my little Bitmoji classroom. That's just some reminders. Always read or watch the announcements. Always over here, check your inbox. That's where I'm going to send you messages and where you can send me messages. If I send you a message that says, hey, you haven't turned in an assignment, I need you to reply and say, I'm sorry, I'll get on that, or oh, I overlooked that. Or thank you, give me some kind of reply. And also if you need help, send me a message through there. Then you're always going to want to go to modules. I have a lot more things that I can see than you can, but you're going to go to modules, and then when you get there, you're going to fill out the attendance form and begin today's lesson. But I have a module up here at the top that is basic information. I have a little video I made you may have seen in the newsletter. I have the Zoom information. So this Zoom information is for every time. If you click on the link, you shouldn't need the ID and passcode. That's if you click directly on the link, but it's here. And here are the class times. Remember, live sessions are Monday and Wednesday for science. So you'll click on that. If I click next, up on this little introductory module, I have a place where you can ask me some questions that you don't mind asking in front of everybody, which might be good because you might have a question other people are wondering too. So you can see I've already had some people ask me some questions and I've already replied. But that's up there in case you think of something that you want to ask and you don't mind posting for everybody else to see. Okay, and then this is just a reminder at the bottom of the course, you have a bunch of Canvas tutorials. So when you scroll down on my course, if you need to look for a Canvas tutorial, video, how-to, there are some of those at the bottom. Then when I hit next, a lot of people had a hard time finding their schedule today. You can look through self-serve to find your schedule. So what do you have first period? What do you have second period? So Mr. Garcia made a short 2-minute video or so that tells you how you can get onto self-serve and find your schedule, your class schedule. So make sure you watch that little 2-minute video. Okay, then I want you to go to modules. You're always going to go to modules. And then you should only be able to see the week 1 overview and instructions and then the stuff we did today. So you can't get past any of this without doing this. So every single last one of you, in order to get a green check mark and go on, you have to view the overview and instructions. So I'm going to click the overview and instructions. So it said, I'm glad to have you in my class, of course. So this week we're using as an opportunity to get to know each other and a little bit about science and working through the Canvas course. So reminders again, always read or watch the announcements that show up at the top of your page. Check your inbox often. You fill out your daily attendance sheet. I'm going to tell you how to do that in a second. And then you're going to start looking through your modules. Hold on. All right, so in a second I'm going to show you how to, again, work through the modules in order. And then always remember to use your Canvas inbox. And remember, Monday and Wednesday, again, is Science Live instruction. All right, then I'm going to click Next. Now it'll allow me to see today's instructions and any information and assignments. So it'll tell me that these were the attendance forms. So, sorry, I'm stumbling on my words here, but so here's where you click. You got to know what class you're in. Click the form. When you click on the form, it's going to come up. I need you to put your last name, then your first name, your student ID, which is your 6-digit lunch number, and then you'll drop down, and you should only have one choice. If you clicked on the first period one, you only have first period because I separated them out. Then you need to make sure you hit submit. All right, once you do that, step 3 today, after you got onto Zoom and I talked you through taking the attendance, is to complete the About Me survey on the next page and then to watch the Canvas science tutorial. So I'm going to click Next. And you have a survey to take about yourself. Notice that you have to move this scroll bar on the right and this scroll bar to get through all the questions. Your school email should be the first 5 letters of your last name and your lunch number at student.aisd.net. Okay, so I'm going to scroll down. Keep on scrolling. Answer these questions. You have to answer all of them. And then you're going to hit submit. Once you hit submit, it'll allow you to go on to the last thing for today. Whoops, that's not it. The last thing for today, sorry, I'm fumbling around a little bit here, is the science Canvas tutorial. It's about 14 minutes, just kind of walks you through kind of some of what we did today. An 8th grade science teacher at Gunn made this. There's a little bit at the end about emojis that we're not going to use in 7th grade right now, but everything else, it pretty much tells you things that you need to know for science. One other thing you need to know is the syllabus. If you click on syllabus, this has all the science teacher information. So we have our little Bitmojis for all 5 of us. We have our Remind links. So for me, you can sign up for Remind for advanced here, level here. It'd be great if both your parents signed up and they signed you up. There's my email again. Here's information on parent self-serve and as information on Canvas. The schedule for the school, again, tells you about when you're synchronous for classes and when you're asynchronous. So science is virtual on Zoom Monday and Wednesday. And then you have science assignments to do on Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday on your own. Here's the bell schedule for Gunn. It's always available to you if you need to go back and look. I know I have to keep looking because it's new this year. Our expectations for online behavior, following the 3 R's, being ready, respectful, and responsible anytime we are doing our virtual learning. And then just some other information that could be useful to you. Now, because you missed today, you need to get Monday's work done so that Tuesday you'll be able to get to the assignments when I publish them for tomorrow, which you're going to be on your own, but you can message me if you need me. You have your daily instructions, and then you're going to have a get to know your teacher Kahoot that you're going to do by yourself, a little would you rather poll, and then a fact or fiction little fun quiz. So tomorrow you're going to do the daily instructions, and there is the link for attendance, and then do these 3 assignments. But make sure you've done Monday's assignments first in order. It's not going to let you go on. I know that was a lot of information, so play around with it. Send me a message in the inbox if you're confused. Make sure that you are logged into your Google account up here. You have to be in your school Google account where my little purple circle is for you to be able to fill out the attendance form and the survey. Let me know if you have any questions. I look forward to meeting you. Make sure on Wednesday you show up for your Zoom the best you can, and make sure you have your picture on and your first and last name on your screen. I'll see you then. Have a great night.